Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
One petition is here regarding that Bhoma proposed elevated road. What happened today?
See, this petition came up before the court and we pointed out to the court that this petition is barred by delay and laches. We have acquired this land way back in the year 2023. But apart from that, we pointed out that there is no substance in this petition because the apprehension that the temples will be impacted, that we pointed out that as far as temple is concerned, that will not be touched at all. The apprehension about the lake was also not correct because lake is going to be maintained as it is. There is going to be a bridge that is going to be constructed over it and it will be maintained well. As far as temple is concerned, the temple is not going to be touched at all, absolutely not. We showed the plans to the court and the court has said that we should share this plan with the advocate for the petitioner and the advocate for the petitioner will show it to his client. But as far as main petition is concerned, we are saying that there is no substance in the allegation despite they having been assured every time that the temple will not be impacted in any manner, the lake will not be impacted in any manner. These petitions are being filed. Further, earlier petition that was filed by the landowner is already dismissed by the court. So that was also pointed out. So now we will show them the plan and thereafter the court will hear the matter.